Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 5-liter V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and coming with a 6-inch BDS Lift Kit installed, sitting on 20-inch XD series rims with some 35-inch TOYO all-terrain open country tires on there, pocket-style fender flares, and bulletproof style mud flaps on the front and rear, all installed here at Prince George Ford. You also have running boards so you can have an easier time getting in, but let's take a look into the bed of the truck, where you have the new style tailgate with a rugged work surface. You have measurements, holes for your clamps, and just being generally rugged. And you have your 2 kilowatt Pro Power on board, so you can use your truck as a sort of generator for your tools and equipment. And then this goes up again with 2 more clicks on the fob. Let's take a look inside. Then looking into the back, where you do have seating for 3 with a nice full leather interior that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo back here. And in the middle, you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as having 2 more in the middle here with a 12-volt USB and USB-C, 120-volt power outlet, and heated rear seats. And this truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors. Now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls, as well as your with lane keeping system and distance pacing technology, as well as your hands-free phone and radio controls. And with your controls here on the steering wheel, you can cycle through your trip and fuel information, truck info, towing information, navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, as well as having My View, which is a key sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screens, you're hopefully not going to get lost. All of your favorites for your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. And your general truck features such as driver assistance, Pro Power on board, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you can see all around your truck, with dynamic hitch views, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view, again, your park assist, or active park assist, hazards, traction control shut off, hill descent assist, and you do have a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated and air conditioned front seats, and a heated steering wheel. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with 4 auto, locking rear differential, and drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud ruts, and rock crawl mode. And then on the opposite end, you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Moving on to the right, you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet, as well as this compartment up here for more storage. And moving down, you have this compartment with a USB and USB-C inside, so you can plug something in from there. Then you have your main shifter here with select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and can be collapsed out of the way for more open space here. Then you have 2 cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Ton of room inside, including another 12 USB and USB-C there. Then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window. And last but not least, a twin panel moonroof up top so you can let in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So if you're looking for a truck with some mods pre-installed, this is an excellent choice. Feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.